You have got your Google business profile set up, you have added photos, you have got some reviews, maybe you even added a keyword or two into your business name. And yet, when someone searches for exactly what you do in your city, your competitor shows up, and you don't. Here's what most people get wrong. They think Google Maps ranking is random or that it's all about reviews, but it's not. Google uses exactly three signals to decide who shows up, and in this video, I'm going to break all three down and show you exactly what to fix. By the end of this video, you will know more about Google Maps SEO than 90% of business owners. Let's get into it. Quick intro, I am Dua, and at Search by Dua, we specialize in one thing, getting local businesses to rank on Google Maps and Google Search. We have audited and optimized Google business profiles across many industries, which includes service businesses, healthcare providers, and everything in between. And I see the same mistake over and over again. Today I'm going to show you exactly what they are and what to do instead. Let me show you something. I'm going to search for a local business, let's say something like coffee shop near me. See these three results? This is the local pack, also called the map pack. These are the three businesses Google shows above everything else. Getting into this pack is like getting a prime shopfront on the busiest street in your city. Clicks, calls, directions all go to these three businesses. Everything below this, most people never scroll to it. So the question is, why does Google pick these three businesses and not yours? The answer is not random. Google publishes exactly what it looks at. It's three factors, and they are called proximity, relevance, and prominence. Factor number one is proximity. This is simply how close your business is to the person searching. If someone searches coffee shop near me, Google knows where they are and it's going to show coffee shops closest to them first. That's just physics. The hard truth is you cannot fake proximity. You cannot optimize your way to being closer to the customer. What you can do is make sure your address is accurate, consistent, and verified everywhere online. A mismatched address hurts you, but we will get to that in factor 3. The good news, proximity is only one of the three factors and the other two are 100% in your control. Factor number 2 is relevance. This is about how well your Google business profile matches what someone is searching for. Think of it like a matchmaking algorithm. Google is trying to connect a searcher with the most relevant business. Your job is to make your profile as clear as possible about what you do, where you do it, and who you serve. Your primary category is the single most important signal for relevance. Most business owners pick something generic like restaurant when they should be picking Italian restaurant or sushi restaurant. Go into your profile right now, look at your primary category. Is it as specific as it can be? If not, change it today. You get 750 characters in your business description. Most people write 2 sentences and call it done. That's a massive missed opportunity. Write a full keyword-rich description, include your city name, your top services, what makes you different. These are words Google reads to understand your business. Every service you add to your profile is another keyword you can rank for. Don't just list your broad business type. Break it down into every individual service you offer. Each one is a new search term your profile can rank for. Same with attributes. Google gives you checkboxes for things like woman-led, free Wi-Fi, outdoor seating. Every relevant attribute adds more signal. The third factor is prominence, and this is the one that separates businesses that rank number 1 from those stuck on page 2. Prominence is how well-known and trusted your business is across the entire web, not just on Google, everywhere. Reviews are the most visible part of your prominence. More reviews, higher average rating, both matters. But here's the part most people miss. Your responses to reviews are just as important. When you reply to a review, include your city name and service naturally. For example, thank you for choosing our plumbing services in Manchester. We are so glad the emergency pipe repair went smoothly. That reply is indexed by Google. It's free SEO. NAP stands for name, address, phone number. These three things need to be identical everywhere your business appears online. For example, your website, Yelp, Facebook, Apple Maps, local directories, everywhere. If your address says, for example, 123 Main Street on Google and 123 Main ST dot on Yelp, that inconsistency confuses Google and hurts your ranking. I have seen this single issue tank businesses that were doing everything else right. Google posts are like mini social media posts inside your business profile. Most businesses have never used this feature. Posting once a week, a tip, an offer, a behind the scenes signals to Google that your business is active and engaged. Active businesses rank better, period. Alright, let's pull this all together into a 7-day action plan. These are the 4 things I want you to do this week. Review your primary category, switch to the most specific option available, rewrite your business description, include your city, top 3 services, and your unique value. Audit your NAP, name, address, and phone number. Google your business name and check every listing for inconsistencies and fix them. Reply to your last 10 reviews and naturally include your city and service in each reply. Do those 4 things and you'll be ahead of most business in your area who haven't touched their profile in years. If you found this helpful, do 3 things for me. Give this video a like, it really helps the channel. Subscribe if you want more local SEO content like this every week. And if you want me and my team to personally audit your Google business profile completely free, click the link in the description. We will go through your profile, tell you exactly what's holding you back, and give you a custom fix list. I'll see you in the next one.